Okay, so penguins are birds that cannot fly. Penguins are birds that cannot fly. Okay, it means that penguins is a kind of a birds, but they cannot fly, not just like in magpie. They are birds and they can fly. So that birds has a two kinds. There are birds that can fly and there are birds that cannot fly. Just like in magpie and the penguin. Okay, so birds. So this was the example of birds. Magpies can fly, penguins cannot fly. Okay, so there are birds that can fly and there are birds that cannot fly. So meaning there are two types of birds. There are birds that can fly and there are birds that cannot fly. But they are both kind of a bird. Okay, so let's proceed. So please answer questions in complete sentences. Okay, first one is, can penguins fly? Okay, no, they cannot fly. They are birds, but they cannot fly. So, are magpies birds? Yes, of course. Magpies, rather, is a kind of birds. Okay, so do you know any other birds that cannot fly? Can you give me some example, Luna? Yes? Okay, very good. Yes, very good. Ostrich. Ostrich is a kind of a bird, but they cannot fly. Ostrich is a kind of a bird, but they cannot fly. Okay, very good, Luna. You did a great job. Thank you for participating in our session for today. So, I think this was